Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be showing you what to do if your Hoover washing machine is displaying the error code E04. This error usually indicates that there's a problem with the pressure switch and it will need to be replaced. But today we're lucky enough to have a guest presenter to help us with a few repairs too, so this is Emma.
Hi, I'm Emma from DIY with Emma, a channel focused on helping you into DIY and helping you learn the skills you need to maintain your space. I do DIY hacks, how-tos and follow-along projects that I do daily, which show you what goes well and what sometimes doesn't go so well.
The pressure switch regulates how much water goes in and out your washing machine.
To complete this repair, you're going to need a 7mm socket, a Phillips screwdriver, and you may also need a pair of pliers. Before we get started, make sure your machine is switched off and completely disconnected from the mains.
So to start this repair, we're going to need to access the back of the machine. So we'll start by spinning it around. And we're going to need to remove the top panel, which we can do by unscrewing these three 6mm nuts here with our 7mm socket.
Now with those screws removed, you can gently move the top off, just like this.
So now that Emma's removed the lid, we can see that the pressure switch is located here. So next we're going to want to remove the connector plug here. It should pull away like so. Then we need to remove the pressure hose from the pressure switch too. And our clamp is broken a little bit, so I'm just going to use a pair of pliers to help.
Using your Phillips screwdriver, you can then remove the screw that is holding the pressure switch in place and lift it out. With the faulty pressure switch removed, it's now time to replace it with a new one.
You can find down in the description below a link to our website which will help you find the correct pressure switch for your make and model of washing machine. But to get the correct one, you'll need to know your washing machine's model number. So if you aren't sure of this, take a look at our video up here, which will help you find it.
So when you have your new pressure switch ready, you can go ahead and slot it in place of the old one, refitting the screw to hold it in place.
We can then refit the pressure hose to the pressure switch and secure it in place with the Jubilee clamp here. Then we can refit the connector plug back into the socket here. So now we've replaced the faulty pressure switch, we can refit the top panel and secure it in place using the three 6mm screws removed earlier. And that's all there is to it. To make sure you're using your washing machine as safely as possible, take a look at our video down here on important safety checks for your washing machine.
And if you're new to DIY and want to pick up more tips and tricks, you can head to my channel, which will be linked for you in the description.
Before you go, be sure to subscribe to our channel for plenty more appliance repairs, maintenance guides and all things eSpares. And make sure to subscribe to Emma's channel too for plenty more DIY fun. Thanks for watching!